Hey, good morning, guys. Just want to show you this update that I did on the 981 Cayman. Something that's pretty unique. I've never seen anything like it, and you wouldn't believe it's from a refrigerator. So here it is. This is what the other one looks like, which is still intact, but you can kind of see the shape of it. But it came from this long one right here, which wasn't open correctly, so we just took it out, and it was about to be thrown out. So I recycled it and painted it, and it is what you see there. And this is how it looks after it's been taken out. This piece as well was from the Kenmore refrigerator. This jar was about to be thrown out, and then I looked at the size and I thought, hey, it fits. So it used to be just plain white, and I had it primered and then painted flat black. I had an extra Instagram name sticker, so I threw that on there. But you can see how it looks. Nobody would ever guess this from a refrigerator. When it's closed, or even now when it's open, it kind of looks like a Strut tower bar. And it's all Velcroed in, so I can easily just Velcro it out and when I'm doing oil change. This whole project cost me about $5, just black paint and also Velcro, that's it. Just see how it looks when it's closed. It looks nice from outside too. Thanks again for watching, guys. Here's a last look at it. I think it looks kind of nice. I got the flat black and I got the amaranth thread metallic, which is the body color. I have some of the interior. You can kind of see right there. But and then right there, and then the speakers, grills. So they kind of accent each other nicely. Thanks again for watching. I'll be sure to show you any new updates.